Alright, next one. This was in this one. Ooh, another case. Now this one I knew was broken. That is a hell of a rat with sharp teeth. Look at the sharp teeth that rat had to do that. Look at that. That's called a blowtorch did that. Yeah, they took a perfectly good camo case and cut the bottom of it off. So you know it's a flathead case because it has two holes here instead of just one right here. So it's a flathead case, plus it's got real small bores. So this is, what year is this one? This is a 55. So that's a cage case. Got a couple oil pump studs broken off. They're broken there, I saw that. They broke that one out over there too for some reason. That's a dowel pin hole, they broke that one out. Kind of violent. The case isn't broken inside the motor where it really matters. Still a decent case on this half. Looks like they blew this one up. Blown up and repaired. So this was a blown up case. And it's cracked again right there, so they blew it up again maybe? I don't know. They definitely cut the big corner out of it for some reason. So, oh well. These are the kind of things I make race motors out of. Nice vintage crap. So the motor part's not too bad. The transmission, it had better days. So this is a prime candidate for cutting the tranny off and putting something behind it right there. But I've already got 3 or 4 like that, so I don't need more of these. Notice I have a KH one instead of a K. But other than that, this one looks pretty good. So there you go. Nice used vintage case that somebody went and destroyed some more parts of it for some reason. Oh well, there you go. 2 for 2. 2 junk cases. 1, 2.